Yeah, hi guys. This is just the weekly wrap. I'm very late. Okay, I kind of went out, so I am late, and of course I forgot that live gana. I was like, week khatam ho gaya. Chalo abhi chodo ho gaya khatam. Because generally markets don't have much to talk about. It's the same thing if you've been tracking markets every day. So we all know FIIs are selling. We know the reasons behind it. I've been speaking about them. If you're watching my lives, you know. And FIIs are selling. Trump has said that reciprocal tariffs and all that. The thing would be clear by April. But initially the markets opened in the green today. But after that, they tumbled. Mid caps were butchered today. 1300 points it was down, and Nifty and Sensex thoda revive hua, but they closed in the red. 23,000 mark was not protected today, and even 76,000 mark was not protected for the Sensex. Let's hope next week is better. So इस week का बड़ा बड़ा रैप क्या है? Reciprocal tariff, of course, and Nifty closed today at 75,939. Now it recovered a little bit. It was much below it. Okay, Nifty also recovered a bit. 22,929. It's just near that 23,000 mark. Okay, uh, Nifty fell right after opening, and it just kept falling. Okay, all the sectors fell today. Media stocks and pharma stocks fell the most. US markets rose and European markets were flat. If I look at the Dow is doing well. Uh, Dow, Nasdaq, they are doing well. I'll just look at it now. Mm, Currently, Dow is down, S&P is down, Nasdaq is up. Gold has corrected a little bit, okay, and oil is also down, okay. Uh, anyway, these are the cues for Monday, okay. So today's top gainers were Britannia was up 1%, ICICI Bank was up 0.90%, Nestle was up 0.84%, Infosys was up 0.7%, and TCS was up 0.63%. In fee, if you've been tracking the stock, this stock has corrected, but if you just look at it, it is at 1856, and this stock corrected quite a bit when the IT stocks corrected. It went up to the levels of 1300, okay, and then at that levels जिसने भी खरीदा मार्केट गिरा है, इतना गिरा है मार्केट, but just this stock is at 1800, and I'm also one of those people who sold this stock, okay. uh, I sold it at 13 and all. It kept falling, so I sold in fee. Then I bought it again when it was around this 13 14. Then it again fell after I think last year's quarter 3, quarter 4, quarter 2 results. So I thought, no, there's no point remaining in this stock. So I sold in fee and I bought some defense stocks. And after that, I didn't buy it. It was climbing. अंदर से आवाज आ रही थी, खरीदो खरीदो खरीदो. I did not do it. Now it's again at 1856. If I would have bought, I would have been in profit, because these stocks, Infosys, Nestle I have, thankfully. Okay, so TCS also. I have somehow not been able to buy TCS. Yes, I do not have TCS. It's a shame. So it was up today. So large caps ki taraf stories moving. So most of the experts agree that you should buy large caps, because mid caps are just brutally being punished. Brutally. Okay. Until and unless you have conviction in the company, you have conviction in the stock, just don't go for this mid cap and small caps. Okay, top losers were Adani Ports. It was down 4%. Bharat Electronics, this was down 4.2%. Adani Enterprises was down 4.10%. Trent was down 2.65. 5,000 में ट्रेंड दिख रहा है. Okay, Sun Pharma was also down 2.63%. Okay, good. So there was some good news also in this week. This is a weekly wrap. India's annual wholesale inflation has fallen. Inflation is down. CPI is fallen. Now WPI is also fallen to 2.31 in Jan. टमाटर प्याज ये सब के दाम अगर आप देखेंगे so they have come down. So WPI is also down to 2.31 in Jan versus 2.37 in December. Inflation rose in manufacturing, apparel, and it fell for food and primary articles. As I said, खाने के दाम कम हो गए हैं, उसकी वजह से CPI is also down. Fuel and power prices fell at a slower rate. India's forex reserves have risen by $7.6 billion to $638 billion in the week that ended on 7th Feb. So India's forex, this news came yesterday. Then Hexaware Technologies IPO was subscribed 2.66 times. This is despite the correction in the market. Stock updates: Tata Steel has approved raising 3,000 crore through NCDs, non-convertible debentures, on a private placement basis. Shriram Finance has also raised 500. Now this is in the falling market. Some companies are doing well. That is why I'm saying the stocks in which you believe, the stocks which you think, are have a good solid background. Because some people are saying, okay, high, yes, high. ये कन्नड़ा में लिखा है क्या? Okay. Then Samardhana Motherson net profit is also up 62%. Okay. Then what is the other thing which major thing which happened in the week? Gold is up Indian में 85,850 rupees. Silver is around 97,560 1 kg silver. USD INR is now currently at 86.89. So dollar has fallen a little bit. Dow Jones is up 0.77%. This is for the week. Okay. What else? Okay. Apart from that, this is a weekly thing. Okay. बड़े बड़े जो results इस week में आए हैं, उस सब में I will not go. Bajaj Finance, Cipla, Sun Pharma, Tata Steel, Bajaj Finserv, Kotak. These are the main gainers of the week. Actually, 15 days. Kotak Mahindra Bank, SBI Card, Godrej Property. Okay. Apart from that, this US-India partnership. This is looking into cooperation in oil, AI, defense, semiconductor industries. More US oil and gas to be imported. Reciprocal tariffs by US. $500 billion trade target by 2030. Currently, it's around $150 billion. Okay. To work towards AI and semiconductors, F-35 stealth jet deal will happen soon. When that has not been declared, but the talks are going on. MAGA and MEGA. Let's make America great again. PM gave making India great again. That is MEGA. MAGA, MEGA is equal to MEGA. That is what he said. Mega trade. Indian merchandise to get a boost. And the tariffs, they will be declared by 1st April. Probably after that, we can see a major move in the market. Apart from that, FIIs are holding. FII holding dropped to 4.8% in emerging markets, not only India. Overall emerging markets from 8% allocation earlier. Okay, and consumptions will aid large caps. This has been a trend which is seen, and the preference for the buying thing is towards large caps now, because the market has fallen quite a lot. The market is likely to be bottoming out now, and also the new targets for JP Morgan has given new targets for Nifty, which is 30,000 in the case of in a bull run. 2025 के end का target है ये. Base case is 26,500 and bear case is 21,000. Okay. Inflation is down. This is CPI from 8.3% to 6.2. Sorry, this is food inflation. SMIDs and are at 8-month low. I think अब और भी ज़्यादा हो गया होगा. आज भी 1300 पॉइंट गिर गया. Okay. And big relief for Kotak Mahindra Bank. The RBI ban has been lifted, so now they can board new customers. These सब मोटा मोटी news है ये पूरे हफ्ते का. Okay. What else? Consumption is going to be the big story. Yes, that is why the staples are going up. Nestle, Britannia, these stocks are doing well. HUL and all. HUL ने अच्छा किया था क्या इस हफ्ते? I don't think so. Oh no, this week was not good for HUL. No, it was slightly up on Monday, 2376 पे था और करते 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 now it has closed at 2318. Okay, so it's minus 2.43%. It's fallen 2%. Okay, then this 1 lakh, this came last week, 1 lakh booster. This is going to go into 1 lakh crore booster. After tax cut is going to get into consumption, travel, discretionary spend. What else? I've spoken this so many times. Textiles, apparel, beauty products. So these are, you can look at the stocks related to these sectors. Okay. The plus point for India is young population, growing economy, more headroom for growth even in the SMITs. Now this is where most of the experts also agree. These are the mota moti khabar of this entire week. Okay. What else? Morgan Stanley has also said that the growth is fastest in India. Which growth? GDP growth. World is likely to grow at 3.3%. एंड इंडिया इस जीडीपी फिगर्स जो आए थे, जो बजट में भी आए थे, जो इकोनॉमिक सर्वे में भी आया था, 6.5% is what the RBI is pegging, and now even the finance minister is pegging, which is 6.5% of GDP growth for India, which is double the growth rate for the world. Okay, so India is the fastest growing economy and a bright spot in the EMs. This is not a structural fall. This is a cyclical fall in nature. This is cyclical in nature. This is what Morgan Stanley says. And markets are expected to stabilize soon. Actually, I was reading another article. I'm forgetting the name of the expert. They are saying that, I think Samir Arora, I was reading that now it's likely to bounce back from here. But we don't know till where it will dip. Okay. What else? They are Morgan Stanley. They have moderated their overweight on India, but they are still looking at India. They are considering India. India's nominal GDP is better than the world, so they are bullish on India. Financial, industrials, they are bullish on. Defense stocks, they are cautious, and they are neutral on IT. This is JP Morgan. Japan, India, Singapore, they are overweight. India and Japan don't seem to worry about tariffs. And this is what they said a day before these tariffs. But these reciprocal tariffs that was one of the reasons why the markets later fell quite a lot, because the India is likely to be affected by these tariffs. It is not that India is unaffected. India is expected to be, and gradually that will unfold. Because India from itself has already declared that they are likely to import more oil from US. Like Trump, before getting elected, only said that he is going to drill more oil. So he is likely to sell this energy and also energy trade between India and US can grow. Okay. So India is affected by tariff, and when the market realized it, when they digested it, the market fell. Let's see what happens on Monday. Okay. Apart from that, what else? This was JP Morgan. Hmm. And Samira Arora, I think I've already said, he's expecting the markets to stabilize. Uh, Big picture is that SMIDs generally fall with the market. Yes, this is there. When the market is crashing, it falls. SMIDs are the people who they take it on the chin. When the market is rising, we've seen SMIDs were giving excellent returns. He's bang on here. He has said that selling may continue, but the sector is not done, which is SMIDs. There is still headroom there. Okay, this is a cycle which comes and goes. Um, but we expect it should be a small cycle. But you know, uh, government has also responded well. This is Samir Arora. Okay. His take on the markets. Rest we have to see. Every week is a different week. You know. Okay, I look at the provisional figures of the FIIs and DIIs. How much did the FII sell? This is just continuously going on. I mean, there's a limit to how much the DIIs can absorb. But yes, they are absorbing quite a lot. Okay, so I'll just look at the. Oh, I think that is on my Telegram channel where I get these provisional figures. Wait. Wait. Okay. Okay, so this week was, I will not say it's a very bad week. Uh, you know, of course, it's a bad week, but in the end, the markets managed to close, a little better to what it was expected. But yes, markets have fallen. Okay, I'm not able to open my Telegram. I'll post these provisional figures uh, in my description box. But FIIs is they have definitely sold. Yes, there is one thing. Someone is every day selling. These FIIs are every day selling 5,000 oddly crore worth uh, of equity stocks and all that. Now, so someone is buying also. Okay. So now someone is selling, someone is buying. This is going on, but someone is selling somewhat which others are not buying. That's why the markets are also falling. So let's see till when it continues, and let's hope for the best because the FIIs are worried about the growth. The quarter 3 earnings have not been that good. Because of that, they are selling. And when the money is more in the domestic market, why would they go out? Okay, I'll post the provisional figures. I don't have it here handy and I don't want to guess because I've seen them, but I will not. It will be irresponsible for me. Okay, so I'll see you next week. It's 11 now, and today I'll watch a movie in the night. Today I'll be up. So, yeah, today is Valentine's Day. So, happy Valentine's Day. Wishing you all the positivity and good luck and lots of love. So, I'll see you Monday and have a great weekend and try not to think about the market. And I will still say, think positively about the India story. I believe in an India story. This correction had to happen. Yes, the macros are not in our control. Actually, these corrections give us a time to an opportunity to buy good stocks. किसने सोचा था ट्रेंड आ जाएगा 5,000 पे and which other good stock is BL is down. It's so many stocks actually advanced decline ratio is more in favor of the declines. So I will not take the names of the stocks because otherwise it will look like I am suggesting them. I'm not suggesting them. Please talk to your advisor. Okay. So good night and take care. And I'll see you on Monday. Bye bye. Night.